Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do one slime for you, nice and funny. I have here ready all what I need. I have the plain flour, I have the Brazilian keratin conditioner, hair conditioner, I have the blue color, and I have the glass with water. Of course, we need the bowl and the spoon. I'm gonna add the Brazilian keratin. And I will add some water slowly. Don't forget to subscribe and give a like to my video now. It's time to add some color. Wow, that's really blue. And some flour. Don't forget to subscribe and give a like to my video now. Leave a comment below and tell me if this slime is working for you. I want to add some blue again. You can add any color you want, blue, red, pink, orange, any color you want, because this feels very nice on your hand. It's very nice to play with. How you can see, I can't stop. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like my video. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you on the next video. Don't forget, thumbs up.